Now, one thing that folks do ask about is, what is UTC TIME SEC? So this is actually the timestamp, and the N2 is timestamping your readings in something called Unix timecode. And so this may or may not be automatically converted on your software. If it is not converted on your software, we can actually come in and do a conversion for this, and I will put the conversion information in the description of the video and the title information. So it will be divided out. What we're going to do is we're going to divide out the UTC TIME SEC field, or that column or that cell, by 86,400. Then we're going to add the date of 1970, January 1st. In this particular formula, you hit enter, and we, in just a moment, will get a date. So we can get a date and time as well. Let's hold on here. So we're able to convert that to a date and a time. And in this case, now that we've done that, I've gone ahead and, obviously taken that and run the information here. Yeah, so please do call us, email us with any questions. We're more than happy to help you out. Thanks so much and have a great day.